In today's video, we are discussing an incredible achievement by the Indian Army, successfully overhauling the T-90 Bhishma tank right here in India, reducing dependence on foreign support. Let's explore the significance of this accomplishment and what it means for India's defense strategy. T-90 Bhishma, a powerful Russian-designed tank used by the Indian Army since 2003. Army is moving towards self-reliance with domestic overhauls. The T-90 Bhishma is a modern, third-generation main battle tank and a critical part of India's Armored Corps. Technical specs: equipped with a 125mm smoothbore gun, advanced targeting systems, including thermal imaging and laser rangefinders, a blend of composite armor and explosive reactive armor for protection. Indian Army's decision to license produce the T-90 in India at the Heavy Vehicles Factory, Avadi. Overhauling a tank like the T-90 Bhishma is no small feat. The process involves dismantling the tank completely, inspecting each component, and rebuilding it from the ground up. Overhaul process: over 200 assemblies and sub-assemblies were removed, inspected, refurbished, and reintegrated. Components were tested using automated test equipment, ATE, to ensure full functionality. This overhaul of the T-90 Bhishma marks a major milestone in India's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, aiming for self-reliance in defense manufacturing. This reduces India's dependence on foreign original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, for maintenance and repairs. The expertise developed by the Indian Army for T-90 overhauls can now be used for the future maintenance of the entire fleet. This development isn't just about technical skills. It's a strategic move to enhance the Indian Army's operational readiness. The T-90 is deployed in critical regions such as the borders with Pakistan and China. The ability to overhaul these tanks domestically reduces downtime and keeps more tanks battle-ready. The T-90 Bhishma tanks aren't just being overhauled, they're also being upgraded to meet modern battlefield needs. Upgrades: automatic target trackers, ATT, for improved accuracy. Digital ballistic computers, DBC, to reduce gunner workload. Software-defined radios, SDRs, for better battlefield communication. In conclusion, the successful overhaul of the T-90 Bhishma tanks is a testament to India's growing defense capabilities. It not only showcases technical prowess but also significantly contributes to the Army's long-term strategy of self-reliance. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.